Okay, Radhika, from past 10 sessions you are learning chess. Can you give me feedback like what are things you learned and how it has helped you to improve your life, all those things?
Yes, sir. So first of all, I was very much anxious regarding chess, whether I can play or
Okay.
can I be able to play, because that was the first question. Always it has arisen because I feel chess is so complicated.
Okay.
It cannot be reached in my mind.
Oh,
Once I started learning from you, slowly, when I put those learning into action, that first gave me a big breakthrough that yes, I am able to perform. First thing.
that's good.
And
That's
next thing
good.
is when I realized all, when I was playing, whenever I am playing, I am noticing myself what is happening inside me, where all I am lacking, because success sometimes gives me a panic, a fear. When opponent is trying to attack me, I get a fear. And when I am getting overwhelmed to decide, I am getting jammed. So many things I am noticing myself. When I am having big dreams in my life, these small things which seems to be a small has affected me a lot. So when I am playing now, small step, one step at a time, we are just 10 classes, still there is a big improvement in me. I'm able to logically think, have a good control, not get overwhelmed in my emotions as well, because it is very difficult for me. I am basically a very emotional person, very sensitive person.
Okay.
Something slightly happens, I get triggered immediately. Now even if I get triggered, I am able to go back. It's okay, fine, I can just do this, do that. So chess has changed a lot in me. So I am so determined that I'm going to learn chess more and more, do more opponent, through opponents I will learn more, because single chess does not, it just gives me an option that yes, these are all the moves, I am good in these moves, that's it. But when I play with an opponent, it gives me that okay, I can improve more, I have space to improve more. So through you I have got that. I am so happy that I am able to have just go a small step. I have taken a small step, and that is showing a big reflection on me. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you.